Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to open up attachments on your mobile device, no matter if you're Android or Apple. Let's get started. To start, you're going to want to go to the Apps button. That's located at the bottom of your Android's home screen. Then, you're going to go to the Google Play Store. It should look like this. Then, enter the Google Play Store. Once you've launched the Google Play Store, at the top search box, search Acrobat Reader. Once we search that, the app automatically pops up. Then, go through the install process. This may vary based off your internet connection. We will use Acrobat Reader later in the demonstration. For now, I have some images to open through an email that my boss sent me. As you can see, I'm scrolling through all that she sent. To view this image my boss sent me, I'm going to tap on the admissions.png box. That will give me a preview of the image before I download it. Once we tap on the admissions.png box, you're going to see the preview of the image that she sent me. Next, we're going to work on downloading this image. To download this image, instead of tapping the admissions.png box, you're going to hold it down. And then you're going to get a prompt that says Save To, then you're going to hit Device. Now we're going to do the same thing as we did previously with the image. If you tap the test.pdf document, a preview of the PDF appears, like shown. Now that we've seen a preview of this document, we can save it. If you hold where it says test.pdf, you get the same Save To prompt, and then you can hit Device and it will go onto your device. Those were just two examples of how to download and view attachments using your mobile device. If you have any more questions, please feel free to come by the Vanguard Technical Support Center, give us a call, or send us an email. Thank you and have a great day.